In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to download offline maps for DJI drones. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Downloading offline maps for DJI drones ensures accurate navigation and positioning in areas with weak or no internet connectivity. It also enhances flight safety and route planning. Open the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. When you see the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the profile section. From here, click on Offline Maps. You will see options like Global Google and Google Map. To download an offline map, select an area you'd like to save. Remember, the smaller the region you select, the smaller the download size will be. For example, if you select a very specific small area, the file size might be just 3 MB. The larger the area, the more storage it will require. Before downloading, you'll need to give the map a name. Once named, the download will begin. To view your downloaded maps, click on the Download tab. Here you'll see all your offline maps. For example, I already have 3 saved. Each offline map has a 3-dot menu icon next to it. Clicking on this icon will give you the option to remove or delete the offline map from your device. And that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.